The workday was over, down at Milkhouse. Not a soul was stirring, not even a mouse. Through the front door, with a slink and a slide, in crept you-know-who, his eyes open wide. New holiday scents, he snickered with glee. They'll be mine before long, just wait and see. While stuffing his bag, he made a sudden clatter. One of the herd woke up to see what was the matter. Quickly, she ran to warn all the others. She had an announcement for those who had udders. She shook her bell loudly, for this was no time to goof.
Out in the factory, trouble's ahoof.
But that green one was clever and thought of a trick. A cow costume nearby, he grabbed it real quick. While the herd made their plan to catch the intruder, one in their midst thought this couldn't have gone smoother. So hurry and get yours before they are gone. With you-know-who around, it sure won't be long.